Hey guys, so basically I got a new loadout. Tell me if you like it or not. If you don't like it, you put it in the comments. I'm letting you guys choose. But anyways, to get to this video, I want to be talking about all the rain stuff and all of that stuff. If you recognize me, I would like to say hi. If you say, recognize me, I would like to say hi to you. And if you're nice, you might get pinned. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Re-roll the clip. Alright, so, I didn't mean to say that. So, here are all the cosmetics that are in the rain update. So, oh wait. Okay, just 22 more hours. Okay, so let's check all of them out. We don't need to check these three since I already bought them. So you could already see. Also, I got this. I got the pack. $30 wasted with my own money. Could have bought it with something else. But here's this. I know I'm late to the party, but it's okay. So here's this. Also, my new VR name is gonna be Nico. Yeah, that's my name. It's gonna be Nico. So here are the golden boots. Here are the yellow boots, which match me, which I'm not gonna buy. Here are these. Here's this. Umbrella. For some reason, it's so kind of look. With the slam it. So here's this, the golden umbrella. Here's this. That's pretty much all the cosmetics. There's some stuff that you may have missed, so I'm gonna be sharing that. There's some glitches that you could do, which they need a patch in the next update. So here's this glitch. So this glitch over here is in the beach map. Just go to the beach map. So if you go to the beach map, you could find this over here. Also, guys, I'm gonna get mods soon. I'm gonna have the camera mod and all of those, so be prepared. So here's the first glitch that they need to fix over here. So you could do this, and people cannot tag you. Yeah, some people, if you have a bigger boundary, you can go right over there. I was there. You see that little brown spot right there? You could go there, which if you go there, then that means you're stuck. You can also get back out, just push you. Here is the next thing. So people have been doing this a lot lately. So there is an actual way to get to the tutorial. They wall climb, which I'm gonna try. Try doing that. See if I can do it. You have to know how to Lucio on vertical, which I don't really know how to do, but I'm pretty good at it. So here's what is here's how people are doing it. So they go right here and they go that, but more better than mine. Mine is Yeah, people have been getting out of the map with this, but if you don't want that, you could do this one too. But it's pretty hard since you can't really control since the wind is there. Also, here's another thing that I'm gonna share about with you guys. This other leak. So in this other leak, right over here, I missed out on this. Right over here might open and we might be getting a new map or like a base or something. So we might be able to be getting that as something else. And here's the other thing that I'm going to share with you guys. Okay. So here's the other thing. So if you're in this beach map, you can hear a rubber ducky. You hear it? So you could hear a rubber ducky somewhere in the water. They just did that? Like, they did that when this first came out. I don't know why I did not tell you guys. You see? It's double quack. Double of them. So, here's the thing though. It might be a seagull that they added, or it might be a thing that they might have added for an Easter egg for maybe the new map, the new Cans remake. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you, we might get a new map of Forest. Yeah, I'm so sorry. If we do, I will feel very bad since we're getting a new map of caves. Gonna have new stuff. It's blocked out. People were so mad. Plus, what I liked about the caves new map is here. We got to play so many fun games. Like, Ghost in the Graveyard. The most funnest one was, hunting for ghosts. Ghosts are usually in there. So here's the next thing that I'm gonna show you. So, this actually has music. You didn't know. That's the next thing. You hear it? Yeah, it has music. So anyways, here's the next thing. So, these can get you around to places. Like, feel how bouncy. Like, these are so bouncy. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. So, these are very bouncy. Like, you could go higher than this. Look, you could go higher than that. And I think this. You could go probably higher than this. Yep, you go higher. So here's a thing that you could do. So if there's a lava monkey trying to chase you, you could do this and then escape. Also, here's another thing that I'm gonna teach you. There's a thing that I'm gonna teach you. If you guys don't know how to swim, I'll teach you this. So here's how you can swim. Well, in the next video, we're gonna teach how to teach you how to swim. In the next video, I'm gonna troll Kenny from South Park. If you guys want that to happen, I'm gonna be doing those 2 videos. Maybe tomorrow, the next day. But the bad thing is, I'm gonna go see The Little Mermaid and the Spider-Man movie. So I might do it later. when I'm done with the movie, or I might do it in the evening. We don't know, or at night. I'll be doing those 2 videos on different days. If you guys and those 2 videos, I don't know what to do after that. So I'll let you guys choose in the comments. You guys can do it in this comments or in the last one or the next one that I'm gonna post soon. Or tomorrow, I mean. Not soon. Well, it's gonna be soon since it's gonna be 24 hours. So, I don't know. So I'm going to. I know she came to the house though. She's in the house. Yes, I'm sure. She's. I told you. I said that. At least you're thanking me. So you could. And here's another thing. I was just doing it. So if you know, you could actually do this. I started doing this in the cans update. You could always do this. If you don't know how to do this, I'll teach you it. You have to hang on to it. So this is how you get around faster. So just keep track with it. Like this. Like, it's kind of like you're running, but you're not. It's kind of like you're running. So, this is how I get around faster, so I don't have to just do other stuff like that. And, yeah, that's how I usually escape from people. When I'm going up here and I'm slow, I usually do that. That is my escape. And usually people can't do it, but it's pretty easy. So, here's this other one. My route is to do this. So if somebody is chasing you, here's what you can do. Let me go back up there. This is gonna take a few minutes. No, this is gonna take a few seconds. If I can even swim. Okay, so my idea, swing, back, and climb. Okay, let's go back to the rope. Oh, the rope is right there. What am I doing? Oh my god, this is... Okay, I'm gonna have to speed this up. No! Come on. Are you serious, bro? What is going on? Bro, Okay, so now, someone's chasing you. Always do this. That could probably work, or this one could work. Let me go back. Oh, that's not really gonna work. Here's how you can do it. You gotta jump on. Yeah, this probably will be my final loadout. I promise. I promise to you guys, if I ever change it, you guys could always... If I ever change it, I am so sorry. And also, if you didn't know, look, when this beetle is flying, its legs actually move. Here's another thing. When you grab it, he actually has a little dot. So if you let go, and here's another thing. You can put him in the ground or in the wall to watch. Oh, he bounced. And he goes in the wall. So, anyways, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoy. Hit that likes button. Hit the subscribe button. I will start a TikTok account soon. And we're gonna go. Peace.